Want to fix WhatsApp video callback camera not working problem? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First of all, head over to your settings. Now tap apps. From this list, find WhatsApp and tap on that. Now find the option of permissions and tap on that. Here select camera. If that has been selected to don't allow, make sure to select allow and provide access. Once that is done, head back. Next thing you want to do is tap on the storage option. Now select clear cache. After that, you want to update the app to the latest version. For that, open up Play Store, tap on the search bar and then search WhatsApp. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After updating, launch open WhatsApp and check if your problem is fixed. If it's still not fixed, you simply want to uninstall the app. Once it has been uninstalled, again you want to reinstall it and then your problem will be fixed. That's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.